Finish up uyazi Khambani like away.
Ekuse my G.
Yo, what's up?
Bathini V the King.
Mochambani.
Ugrand vets. Besazongishayela namhlanje.
Afethu ubuke njani mfethu. Siyazi now.
Sure. Afethu uyazi ukuthi uma ungafikanga kumina mfethu yazi ukuthi ashuthi usokuneshluthu la ukhona.
Yeah, but you know the story.
Yeah,
you know
but mfethu how's everything?
Ngikhathele dog, I'm not gonna lie. Mfethu. Spani, a lot of the music stuff.
Everything
personal stuff.
It's been on your side. You say, but you wanna funa la face. Even Nensimbi mfethu, it gains strength when it's under pressure. So bad niggas in that we wanna have it easy.
No, they say they have to wield a sword before it becomes shiny.
Showcase.
C4, we forge.
Until it reaches its maximum potential.
Yeah, for sure.
No, but I think you keep it like okay, mean.
You know the story.
Oh, yeah, that's great, Baba. That's great.
Much
No, but so shape don't cut them standing, eh?
Yeah, always the usual.
But no, that's
cool, so we need to keep it humble.
Yeah. Imashuthi laba fethu laba bashaya amakhatha phezulu. Njengoko Sims nje lezo uchaza ukuthini.
No, shout out to my nigga Sim. It's nothing personal. It's just a personal
preference.
Yeah.
No, but it's so great to have you on the Bubble Show, brother. It's something that I so wish the science of it.
Long time.
But everything has its time, yeah, bon.
Now is the time,
my brother. Now is the time. Sure. So be the king, so an artist from Waterloo, brother. But I don't want to limit you only as an artist because we see you, brother. You organizing events, bruh. There's a lot of movement around you. So just take me back into your upbringing. So ukhulele la elokishini uthando noma ufike la sekukhuleka kancane.
That's not trying to put it on, you know. It just so happens, was from surveying when. From 2015, I think.
Sure.
So that time, I wasn't really staying here. I was coming to Ashela, my brothers.
Sure.
I'm sure I'm
Sure.
So, this figure, then, but say,
Sure. Message
You didn't. All right, sharp. You didn't. This nice barber shop and everything. So you had a shack back then, and then we came through, and then that's when I know you. That's why maybe you think Ngihlala Waterloo and I grew up here, but I came here a lot. I was Tuba dog. Tuba nkomo ayixosha stuff like that. But I grew up there, and then obviously Ngizala for schooling purposes and the music purposes. Push it because it's better here in Durban than in Mackay.
Sure.
Yeah, for sure.
Sure. No, that's great, brother. So, Ngobushuti, you moved to Laiwota, like Tegwini specifically.
Yeah.
For educational purposes.
Yeah.
So you went to university.
Yeah, DUT. I went to study tourism management.
Showcase.
And at the same time, I had a recording deal. So that recording deal was basically when Benganza was too.
Sure.
That time we were still selling CDs and everything. So it's too. I think God blessed me with a skill, so I was multitask because I've never slacked on anything because I was doing something else. Yeah,
but so that sounds amazing because i-pressure mfethu kumele mfethu kube yona into ekukhulisayo.
For sure.
So what inspired V the King, the artist? Because ngiyabona ukuthi ekukhuleni kwakho ukhule vele umuntu osemakhaya. Is it something you started usasemakhaya eMtuba or something that came into your mind?
So what happened was back I can't even remember what year, but I became a vocalist before I started writing raps and whatever.
Sure.
So I couldn't acquire gospel, I'm a singing nicely. And then I used to always imitate the songs and then sing. And then there was a guy who saw something in me, what I know. You can sing, and then I took that And then there was my cousin, Umike, white rapper. They had a crew called Legacy, and I was like, "Why, man? I love singing, but I also want to rap."
Sure.
I wind out Lil Wayne, around 2009.
Sure. Hey,
So,
Karatri.
I'm telling you,
Karatri.
Karatri, no repeat, Napo. So what happened was, I figured out to me, no, dog, I want to start rapping. I want to start rapping, so stuff like that. And then ngabhala ke mfethu bengigabha ukuthi ngestudio dog. Yawazi-ke ngama-cheat, and then agcine-ke sesifikile ke ukuthi hayi siyakwazi ukuthi sifike estudio sirecord and stuff.
You can get the tape, the apron, all good.
Yeah, for sure.
So everything went on like that. To go to Amachita, they just give you that opportunity.
Yeah.
To Tony Studio. Was that Mtuba, right?
M2, and you have to walk, dog. You have to walk a long distance with your figure studio, and then the sound wasn't really also clean like that.
No, you can get the apron buff.
Yeah, so go by king, I had a
Sure.
But it was those times that decide right now I'm writing, and it was the hardest time because mind you, Samakai,
Sure.
manje mina ngizorepa ngesingisi and everything.
Sure.
So it was like that. So I had to penetrate and create my own niche markets for Makai.
No, that's so the shift to Durban, Mfethu, opened you to a lot of possibilities.
Definitely.
We saw you, Mfethu, being part of like one of the greatest crews that have ever came out from Waterloo, bro. I mentioned it, Durban.
Yeah.
Because Mfethu, you guys started Rap Inc.
Yeah.
Which year was that?
That was 2020.
Sure.
Actually, Rap Inc. was there before I came to Rap Inc. Then, it goes a long way back. So let me just answer your question, Ruti. Coming to Durban, Young Vudela, some sort of like a couple of doors, yeah, bro.
Sure.
J, Fetsit DUT 2019, before Rap Inc., we got figure back to the city. So they wanted like a best rapper in DUT. It was they go to Joburg, get sponsored by Play Energy Drink and do all of those figures Big Zoo and everything. And then went there back to the city. And then I think if a clip from there came through to a guy, Uche Lord. Shout out to J Lord.
Sure.
Uche Lord, what I should come to the studio. And then that's when I met Tushara, aka Misfit, and then we started making songs.
Sure.
And then the crew, I was in the crew like from there, yeah.
Sure. No, that's great, brother. Because Pelapetu, speaking about the Rap Inc., you had a big song, biggest song to ever actually come out in hip hop, if I can just say.
Yeah.
That boy in Waterloo, brother, because
Fagiza
was the sensation,
correct.
back in like 2021, 2022.
Yeah, for sure.
So for you guys to articulate that, so what did you guys like come to? Is it like a studio? Nazi kanjani leya ngoma because indlela onayipusha ngayo ifananga nezinye ingoma.
For sure.
And the response ayithola ayibanga as crazy.
Yeah.
So what was the ideas behind it at that time? Ukuthi no, let's do this, let's do that in order for it to work to that extent. Wait, did it win a competition?
Yeah. I was gonna get there. So the best crew in KZN might connect. There was a 10K challenge abroad. There's like another 10K competition around here. It's Kaka included, not each lab.
Sure.
And then that's the song that actually did the wonders.
Sure, my brother.
Yeah, Bafuti on the FM, like the hip hop charts for like 3 weeks in a row, top five. It was crazy. And the traction, it was like a natural traction.
Sure.
So Ingomanje, just to answer your question, it wasn't like Mhlaputi. Planning there was this thing a trend and whatever.
Sure.
And then we misfits, and there was also the drill beats in Dama beats I would drill
Ayifika
nje mfethu yabonke umuntu nje.
Yeah,
Pop Smoke eswine. So
then pop Pop Smoke.
So what happened was I said okay sharp, and then ugcina wathi the song about that thing, and then like that. And then I don't know, we can't really say that's okay now, let's do this. And then that day I was with Sim, if I remember quietly. And then he was writing his verse, I was doing the hook, and then the song just came out, Busha against the beat. And then it was crazy. Safonelum Psycho, and then we sent him the verse, the guy that did the Dr. Ketlele's song.
Sure.
And then it was dope. Yahamba nje kanjalo ingoma yabe yaseyenzeka.
Sure, brother. Unfortunately, over the years, in too, it's so sad to say this, but the group fell off, in fact.
Yeah.
This podcast, if it is not for a drama or invoking a spirit, or we just want to be relevant for Kuluma, is in days of provoke abantu.
Yeah.
But I'd love to get like an idea, and like you as an artist, what did you learn out of the fall off? And maybe if you can just give us an insight, even for Ama group members, what went wrong?
The crew didn't fall off. There was a fall off inside the crew. There was like even if you in a business space or a working space, I'm sure even here at your working place, konama disagreements. Unfortunately, we couldn't reach to a certain grounds, which is understanding. So it's not that the crew fell off. I left the crew, and then Amachita Kubega push. Actually, there was songs that were released even after me, and then because I've been a solo artist for all my life. I've had crews, obviously, but I've been mostly a solo artist than being in a crew. And then I was like, okay, let me go back to the drawing board and do this thing on my own again.
Sure.
Yeah, boy.
Sure.
So that was it in Jefe too. We're cool with the guys. We all good. There's no bad blood. We're just good. It's just that some things have to be the way they are,
Sure.
Sadly so.
Sure.
Yeah. So
some dreams are gonna die, so I get to leave.
Yeah,
Sure. No, but
sure.
I feel your love for the gents, and it's so good to even see you, even after the group. In such days, like I see like you with Amajit and Page.
Yeah.
And kubalulekile, as much as singabonisani in business, but that doesn't mean we cannot be together in a personal level.
For sure.
You understand?
Man, that's cool.
Sure. Because we are one, Page. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So no, but that sounds great, Page. Ever since I knew you, Page, too, you've always been a person who's driven,
Yeah.
And someone else decide ukuthi like mina mfethu ngifuna ukucula, would think ukuthi sekumele ahlale studio every day angaspani ayivalele ekamereni abe antisocially ahleze faka ama earphone. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah,
but that's what everyone do when they say they want to be musicians. But ever since I knew you, bro, you've always had a job. But you've always been a person who's responsible into understanding what take say impilo phela mele in language in all aspects. So how do you balance being like in a 9 to 5 and also being an artist?
Hey, that's a really deep one, bro, because it's not only those two. I'm a father too. I've got a kid. She's 7.
Happy belated Father's Day, brother.
Thank you, bro. So, and also I'm a son as well. I need to be a son to my parents. I need to be I need to have my personal life, and then be an artist, and then go to work, and then show up at work, do your best. Basically, it's all about surrounding yourself with positive energy. That's how I do it. There's no one who's coming to save you. And nobody owes you anything. So in that case, in fact, and futhi push music kwakho, the fact said reality is udinga imali. So how you gonna shoot the videos? Because you're gonna keep on the sit to dope. Much it doesn't get high dope but then are you trying to make revenue out of that? No. And the revenue ends on ube ne lokuza futhi ube ne capital uyithola ngokuthi uspare. So it doesn't motivate her. Ngiba nezinto ezingimotivateayo mfethu. Like ingane, like my goals as well ukuthi ngifuna ukuba yephi in life. Don't yangisiza ukuthi ngikwazi nami ukuthi keep my head up.
Yes, dog.
Because it's hard, dog. I want you to ukhathele, but have to push because maning ama projects muta busy now.
Sure.
Yeah.
Speaking of projects, man,
Yeah.
I think it was 3 or 4 years ago.
Yeah, for sure.
No, you started Virtual High Hour, a movement for the for the culture, man. When was the first High Hour?
The
event?
first high hour was high hour with Rap Inc. I was still with the crew.
Sure.
We did it live. There was a dispensary in Verulam at Beach Bumps.
Sure.
Unfortunately, I think Yavala after looting. And then ASB, I said Jamison's pub in town. It was also good. High hour 2 for it. Slogan was New Gen. And then we had High Hour 3 last year at the My Comedy Club. And this year we're doing it big. We have to do it at the joint in South Beach. So that's the fourth one that we're doing. It's for the culture, especially for the youth. Because it is for the culture, by the culture. It's not my event, it's everybody's event who's a creative, because it's a creative platform or pool or whatever, however you may phrase it. It would be big and showcase what you got.
So speaking of that, Mfethu,
Yeah.
you decided to take it on a different level this year.
Definitely.
I'm so excited about even the activities.
Yeah.
So if you may also announce,
Yes.
you're gonna be having a Slaka Salon pop-up store
Definitely.
at the joint High Hour.
So don't get your haircut done for this one.
Sure.
You're gonna get it done on the spots. Trust me, it's a nice experience, something that was never done. So yeah, I told my brother ukuthi no mfethu asiyenze lento lena, and then hey kuningi nje mfethu sibachela ngendaba ye open mic.
Yes, we're gonna be having an open mic
Yeah.
session, like powered by the Barber Show.
Yeah, for sure.
So we're gonna be handling interviews of the upcoming artists who's gonna be showcasing, showcasing on the spots and having like full coverage of everything, and all the content will be dropped on our YouTube channel.
For sure.
At Slaka Salon. So guys, do show up.
Don't forget the match, my bro.
Oh,
The
yes.
match.
No, do it yourself, man. Do it yourself.
No, I'm saying your match. You
Oh,
need to bring your match.
sure.
So,
No, we're working on that as well. Working
Yeah.
on that. So yeah, we need to drive youth and into aspiring to be great.
Yeah.
Speaking of that, like we just had June 16. And I was given the opportunity to speak to the youth of Otongati.
That's nice.
The most thing that I highlighted on my speech was that you just need to start now, bro.
Yeah.
Because ayikho into onganayo
Everything's around you,
ongasebenzisa
yeah.
ukuthi uqale.
Yes.
So sometimes we delay our ideas and we delay izinto that we want for ourselves.
Yeah.
Not realizing ukuthi mfethu lokho nakho ngakusebenzisa ukuqala okunye nokunye kuzofika phambili.
Face.
Yabo.
It's like that. It's fun and being issued. No one is coming to save you. So you need to start. No one is gonna say I'm gonna help you. We don't have funding for the event, by the way. We're just doing it ourselves because so if it's not ways, akekho umuntu ozosiza ukuthi sikwenze.
Sure.
Bantu bokusiza masuqalile.
Sure. Exactly, brother. Exactly.
So it's like that.
So what can we expect? Uvi the king, the artist.
The artist.
Angifuni ukulimit. Portfolio yakhe ijula kakhulu babo. So what can we expect? New music?
Oh, definitely new music. The last time I dropped the project, I was still selling CDs. And obviously we did have Kipama singles and the music videos and everything.
Sure.
But now I'm working on a project. Kathi ngekuphela 3 months singaphumanga.
Sure.
But it's titled He Raps, He Sings, and He's King. So
Thank you very much.
So sizama ukuthi sipushe kanjalo ke mfethu. There is the project, there is a couple of other events other than this one. Definitely I want to do a launch for the album launch. Yeah, kuningi mfethu engikuplanayo, okunye angithanda ukusho ngako yabo ngako finalize kahle because I don't like setting an expectation. Yabo. Yes, ngimase ngifakele pressure. That's one other thing amachita yenza. Athi dropping an album soon, akakhiphi nane singing.
Sure.
So it's stuff like that. So but yeah, that's what I'm busy with.
No, but I really love that coming from you, but
Yeah.
So, but for as we wrap, any word of insight to someone who is on the journey of music entertainment?
Yeah.
Like, what can you just share ngathi to when uyibone ngathi is like something that's workable, yabo? Obone ngathi ibuyileke when it comes to like how much that are upcoming, how much that want to be there and own a space.
Yeah.
But what's that one thing you can just share as a gem for everybody who's an artist who's working on building a brand for themselves?
Spanisana, dog. That's one thing that is very powerful, dog. Collective work makes differences, dog. Let me, like, for instance, say maybe I have got my own fans, and then Sim has his own fans, and then the next guy has his own fans and stuff like that. So let's say we are 20 artists, so about 10, and event so it's creative work and respect, like try to be different as much as you can.
Sure.
That's all I can say.
To be the king, it's a great pleasure, my brother, to have you on the barber show. It's a great pleasure, my brother. You're gonna be part of the High Hour as like a salon. So do pull through, guys, on the 28th of June.
Yes.
Let's just chop it and fade. So we're gonna have a crazy lineup. But we'll summarize it. Who are you gonna be expecting on the lineup?
Oh, I've got banning dog, because obviously it's for the culture. But I'm just gonna say I'm coming on Kumbla. It's obviously myself.
Yes.
I've got Sim Black. I've got Sumhlanga. I've got the Lady Black Sash. I've got Clarity. It's crazy. I've got Grenade. I've got there's a lot of people, and then I've got special acts. Couldn't announce it today. It's PA Faralo Ice is gonna be there as well.
And Odin
is gonna be there. Odin is gonna be there for sure. Hey, baningi dog. I can't mention them at the top of my head. Any special acts and just follow our pages, and then we'll next week and then yeah.
Yeah, but that sounds great.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful to seeing you from English is from Waterloo, but from him to for you maneuvering
sure.
Dollar, Baba from to
stay.
The joint is actually right next to the beach.
So it's Paul
over SC Blind cool.
Yeah, shout out to Forsake Entertainment as well, because it's able to host this edition, the 4th edition for the annual event, the High Hour.
Okay.
So shout out to Chevron as well. So we're doing it live.
Magic.
Yes.
That's dope, man. So my boy, before you rap, so which song are you gonna be performing for us today, babe?
I don't wanna do the usual. I wanna do something every project sure. So yeah, it's the song titled Still Love You by myself, produced by Misfit.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm gonna chop that one up and then messaging in how is it going.
No, Beto. I'll follow you, my brother.
Yeah.
I love the sound of that.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm going to admire your work. And all I can just say, brother, keep it up. Keep it up. So only those who are willing to risk going too far can possibly find out how far they can go.
Yeah.
Start today. So start today, man. Yeah. Start today. And they get paid to within them Nandi. If you start today, tomorrow you're gonna be counting day one. So masekubuze manje ukuthi sezingakhi insuku towards the craft that you've been working on.
Yeah.
You'd be amazed, brother. So I'm going to thank you for taking the courage to start.
Thank you so much.
umfowethu esisebenza naye igama lakhe kuthiwa uNgqwele. I'm not sure if I'm going to say it perfectly le quote yakhe. Uthi if you start and fail, congratulations.
Yeah. That means you did something.
Because you did something, brother.
Yeah.
Akufani nokuhlala ungenzi lutho. So Fethu, thank you for your courage.
Yeah, bro.
To not stop. Yabona.
Fethu. Not gonna lie, it's in my journey of being an artist.
Sure.
Need to be consistent enough.
Sure.
And yeah,
so I applaud you for that, Fethu.
Yeah, bro.
For keeping it on and keeping it steady.
Fethu.
So it's the Barber Show, guys. And thank you for tuning in. Let's
Shout
get
out,
in the performance. Let's go.
Shout out.
Shout out. How do you like that? Even among misfits, you're misfits.
Since I was young, I've been looking for love. Love I've been getting, never been enough. Tell me what I gotta do with this kind of love. Tell me, have you ever felt this kind of love? Whatever they gon' have, who says it wasn't your time? That looks like an arm, so feel like I'm not. When you hold me down, girl, if I got nut. Tell me, have you ever felt this kind of love? Girl, you remember when we started this? I want to be cool, man, get you batin. But then again, I still love you, baby. Love you, babe. Yeah, baby, nigga, when we started this, all you gotta do, put your trust on me. They don't know the way you touch me, baby. Love you, baby. Awena ungithinta kamnandi ngathi udaba lethu sezongena abazali. Ay, cela ungangimoshela isikhathi. You've been down with me when ungenzela ivari. Yeah, girl, you remember when we started this? You held it down for me when I ain't got no Whenever you around, I'll never need no thing. There's a nigga time, no baby, cela ungadlali. Girl, you remember when we started this? I want to be cool, man, get you batin. But then again, I still love you, baby. Love you, babe. Yeah, baby, when we started this, all you gotta do, put your trust on me. They don't know the way you touch me, baby. Love you, baby.